Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the Compass Worksheet. So this video presents a very simple worksheet on the compass, and we have had a lesson on this particular topic. So if you need help with any of the questions, all you have to do is go to the next slide, and there is a direction on that slide which tells you to click on a particular link, and when you click on that link, that will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So let's have a quick look at each of the questions. Use the compass below to answer the given questions. So in the lesson we saw that the compass consists of 4 primary directions, and basically there are also 4 other directions which are midway between 2 adjacent primary directions. So they're the only ones we looked at in the lesson. So question 1, what is the size of the smaller angle between north and east? So there's north and there's east. Now the reason I ask for the smaller angle, we have this angle here all the way around there, that's the larger angle, and this one is the smaller angle. So there are 2 angles, and that's why I've specifically asked for the smaller angle. What is the size of the larger angle between north and west? What is the size of the smaller angle between north and southwest? So there's north and there's southwest. I want the size of the smaller angle. How many degrees are there in 1.5 revolutions? Now in the lesson we saw how many degrees there were in 1 revolution of the compass. So what I need to know is how many degrees are there in 1.5. What is the size of the larger angle between south and northwest? How many degrees are there in 2.25 revolutions? Now if you know how many degrees there are in 1 revolution, that is quite easy to answer. If you start at north and rotate 315 degrees in an anti-clockwise direction, what direction will you reach? So you're starting at north, so you're starting here, and you're going in an anti-clockwise direction for 315 degrees. You have to write the direction that you will reach. And finally, if you start at southeast and rotate 270 degrees in a clockwise direction, what direction will you reach? So this video has given us some basic questions on the compass, and if you need any help or if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there's a direction. If you follow that direction and click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these questions.